Transform broken ceramic tiles into a stunning and unique bathroom floor with this creative DIY tiling technique. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to reuse leftover and broken tiles to create a durable, stylish, and budget-friendly surface. From preparing the floor and sorting tile pieces to applying cement, arranging the design, and finishing with perfect grouting, every detail is explained clearly for both beginners and professionals. This method not only saves money but also reduces waste, giving new life to materials that would normally be thrown away. Whether you're renovating your bathroom or looking for a creative tile idea, this technique delivers a strong bond, beautiful patterns, and a professional finish. Watch until the end to discover pro tips for better adhesion, clean spacing, and long-lasting results. In the second part of this process, we focus on refining the layout and achieving a balanced, eye-catching design using broken tile pieces. You'll learn how to carefully position each fragment to minimize gaps while maintaining a natural mosaic look. We also cover how to cut and adjust irregular pieces for tighter joints and better alignment, ensuring a more professional finish. Next, we dive into the grouting stage, where the real transformation happens. Choosing the right grout color can dramatically enhance the final appearance, whether you want a bold contrast or a seamless blend. You'll see how to properly apply grout, fill all gaps, and clean the surface without damaging the design. Finally, we share expert tips on sealing the surface for water resistance, improving durability, and making your bathroom floor easy to clean and maintain over time. By the end of this part, your recycled tile floor will not only look stunning but also stand strong against daily use. In the third part, we take your project to a professional level by focusing on the final detailing, durability, and long-term performance of your bathroom floor. After completing the grouting, the next crucial step is thorough cleaning. You'll learn how to remove grout haze properly without affecting the joints or scratching the ceramic surface. Using the right tools and timing is key here to achieving a clean, polished look. We then move on to advanced finishing techniques that make a huge difference in the final result. This includes checking for uneven areas and making small corrections, ensuring that all tile pieces are firmly set and perfectly integrated into the surface. You'll also discover how to smooth sharp edges from broken tiles to make the floor safer and more comfortable to walk on, especially in a wet environment like a bathroom. Another important step covered in this part is sealing. Applying a high-quality sealer helps protect both the tiles and grout from water penetration, stains, and mold growth. This step is essential for maintaining hygiene and extending the life of your floor. We explain how to apply the sealer evenly and when to reapply it for long-term protection. In addition, you'll get practical tips on maintenance and care. Learn how to clean your floor without damaging the grout, which products to avoid, and how to keep the design looking fresh and vibrant over time. Proper maintenance ensures that your recycled tile floor remains as beautiful as the day it was installed. Finally, we highlight common mistakes to avoid, such as improper spacing, weak bonding, or rushing the drying process. By understanding these pitfalls, you can ensure a strong, durable, and visually impressive result. By the end of this part, you will have a complete understanding of how to transform broken ceramic tiles into a high-quality bathroom floor that combines creativity, sustainability, and professional craftsmanship. In the fourth and final part, we bring everything together and focus on the final reveal, presentation, and long-term value of your finished bathroom floor. At this stage, your project is no longer just a DIY task, it becomes a true piece of craftsmanship that reflects creativity, patience, and professional skill. We begin by showcasing the final result from different angles, highlighting the unique patterns created from the broken ceramic pieces. Each section of the floor tells a story, with carefully arranged fragments forming a visually striking mosaic. You'll see how lighting affects the appearance, bringing out textures, colors, and details that make the design truly stand out. Next, we focus on the final inspection. This includes checking the solidity of the tiles, ensuring there are no loose pieces, and confirming that all joints are properly filled and sealed. We also demonstrate how to test the floor's durability and water resistance, giving you confidence that your work will last for years to come. In this part, we also share advanced professional tips used by experts to elevate the overall finish. From polishing certain tile edges for a smoother feel, to enhancing shine and cleanliness for a more premium look, these small details make a big difference. You'll also learn how to fix minor imperfections if needed, ensuring a flawless result. We then move into the practical side of living with your new floor. Discover smart habits to maintain its beauty, protect it from damage, and keep it looking fresh every day. Simple routines like proper cleaning, avoiding harsh chemicals, and periodic sealing can significantly extend the life of your bathroom floor. Finally, this is where we invite you to stay connected and continue learning. If you enjoyed this transformation and want to see more professional tiling techniques, creative ideas, and step-by-step guides, make sure to watch the video until the very end for the full result and final tips. Don't forget to like the video, share it with others who might benefit from this idea, and subscribe to the channel for more high-quality content about ceramic tile installation, marble work, and creative flooring solutions. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next project.